Aero Asset proudly presents Airbus Helicopters H125, serial number 9375. The H125 is the latest generation of the Airbus Helicopters A-Star family, which has accumulated over 40 million flight hours in 137 countries. This H125 was manufactured in 2023 and is sold with low total time. Its wide, unobstructed cabin features a 4 rear seat layout, high back, energy-absorbing seats, a flat floor, and outstanding visibility. Serial number 9375 is completed with a custom paint scheme in Imran Elite Grey. It features dual hydraulics with increased MGW to 2,375 kilograms, enhanced thermal protection, dual condenser air conditioning system, and a Garmin avionics suite, including the Garmin G500H TXI with synthetic vision, a Garmin GTN 650 and GTS 800 traffic advisory system, as well as a GTX 335R transponder. Powered by a Safran Ariel 2D turbine engine, the H125 offers 952 shaft horsepower on takeoff, a dual-channel FADEC, plus a third independent and automatic backup channel, and an automatic engine startup, ensuring optimized engine governing and monitoring. Additional features include Bose A30 headsets with ICS, dual controls, Dart skid wear plates, and bear paws, as well as landing taxi lights upgraded to LED with precise flight system, which turns lights to pulse if a conflicting traffic is detected by the GTS 800. This H125 is hangared in Dorval International Airport near Montreal, Canada. Airbus Helicopters H125, serial number 9375. Presented by Aero Asset.